Today we're going to focus on mastering English listening skills, a crucial part of effective communication. Good listening skills don't just help you follow a conversation. They let you pick up on subtle tones, expressions, and even the emotions behind words. So whether you're practicing for an exam or just want to be a more confident communicator, these techniques will help you get there faster. Let's talk about the common challenges that come with improving English listening skills. First, there's the wide range of accents. English is spoken all over the world, and each region has its unique pronunciation and slang. For learners, understanding a British, American, or Australian accent can feel like learning 3 different languages. Another challenge is speed. Native speakers tend to speak quickly and often blend words together, making it difficult for non-natives to keep up. And then there's the issue of vocabulary. When you hear a new word for the first time in a fast-paced conversation, it can throw off your understanding of the whole sentence. These challenges can be discouraging, but the good news is there are ways to make listening practice more effective and even fun. Let's dive into some creative techniques that can really make a difference. First up, active listening exercises. This means listening with full focus, picking out keywords, and trying to anticipate the meaning of sentences. You can practice this by watching English videos with subtitles. Try listening without the subtitles first, jotting down keywords, then go back and check what you understood with the subtitles on. Next, use multimedia resources like podcasts, songs, and movies. This kind of exposure helps you get used to different tones, accents, and styles of speaking. It's like training your brain to be more flexible with English. Finally, engaging with native speakers, even if it's just online, can provide a realistic listening experience. Apps like HelloTalk or language exchange programs make this easy. These real-life conversations allow you to practice reacting naturally, giving you a better feel for the rhythm of English. Now, let me tell you about a technique that has had the most impact on my students: shadowing. Shadowing is when you listen to a native speaker and immediately repeat what they're saying, matching their tone, speed, and pronunciation as closely as possible. It's like an intense workout for your listening and speaking skills. I had a student who struggled with understanding American movies, and after 2 weeks of daily shadowing practice, she could follow conversations much more easily. This technique not only improves listening, but also helps you sound more fluent over time. So if you want results, try shadowing. It's challenging, but worth every effort. To wrap up, we've covered several creative techniques, active listening exercises, using multimedia resources, engaging with native speakers, and the shadowing technique. The key is to make listening practice part of your daily routine and to enjoy the process so you stay motivated to keep improving. Share your experiences in the comments, and if you're looking for more language tips, check out my other videos to keep learning. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and let's keep building those English skills together.